In the chapter on energy, it says that there is potential energy, and there's potential energy due to position, and that would be like energy of a rock on top of a cliff that could then fall and convert to kinetic energy as it goes. Or it could be chemical energy, energy bound in chemical bonds. And so that was my plan today. Okay, I have about 3. What I wanted to do is I wanted to compare the amount of time of burn in an almond as compared to a walnut. And I have about 3 complete halves of the walnut. So this may take actually a little bit to do this. So the one thing though that I did is that these are not roasted. So that means they haven't been bathed in oil or anything. These are just raw. They're raw, that's it. And so that way you'll get to see the true deal. And so all I'm going to do is I'm just going to take each one and put it just on a paper clip so I can hold it. And I need y'all to time for me. So I'm going to do this 3 classes today. So once I get the almond lit is when I need you to start timing. Because I'm not able to watch my watch, check my watch and everything. Okay, I need you to be timing somebody. I'm guessing it'll be about 1 or 2 minutes. I tell you what burns really good too is a peanut. Now that explains why you can probably gain weight eating peanuts or just nuts. Look how much energy is in that thing. It's a lot. And I'm saying that you could use this to start your fire. Like you could just put a walnut or an almond or a peanut, and if you can get it lit and then put it in your fireplace, that's going to give your logs plenty of time to catch on fire.
I did not know I could use one.
Say it again?
So I didn't know I could use enough.
I know, it's kind of weird. So how much time do I have now?
You're over a minute.
Okay. And usually it kind of starts dripping. That's why I've kind of got this. Lots of fats.
What was those again?
This is just an almond.
Almond?
That's an almond. So it may be that the amount of energy is proportional to the weight of the nut meat. And if that's the case, then this walnut, you might think either will burn is longer or it'll just put out more heat. We don't really have a good way to measure heat or light intensity. Now what's kind of cool is when I used to teach chemistry and physics, what we would do is take a can of water. I made this, it's called a calorimeter. You take a Campbell's can and sink it into a Folgers coffee can, put water in it, and you put this under it, and then you heat the water up. And you can measure heat transfer like that and measure the calories in, figure out how many calories this has. It's kind of rough. Okay, we're almost out. It's still in a little tiny way. Okay, it's out now. How much time?
2 minutes and 37 seconds.
2:37? Okay, all right. All right, that's an almond. Okay, let's try a big old walnut. So we'll see if it burns longer, or maybe it'll just produce more energy. Maybe that's what it'll do. We'll see. And it kind of stinks a little bit. Didn't have any, yeah, I know, and I was kinda worried, I forgot to tell the authorities about this. Okay, let's see what happens, I'll tell you when to start timing. Okay. Oh, this is gonna stink. That's pretty impressive right there. Oh, yeah. You could probably roast a marshmallow over this.
Yeah, it has a big flame.
Maybe
Yeah.
maybe even a hot dog. Wow. Yeah, I hope nothing happens here. Yeah, this may burn down faster than that almond. That's kind of crazy. That's usually what it does. It usually drips burning oil. That's a big time hand warmer right there.
Yeah, that one made a big flame. It's like a big fire.
What are we at now?
56 seconds.
I'm guessing it's gonna burn about the same. We're gonna do this for 3 classes, so we'll kind of get an average. I'm not sitting exactly under anything, am I?
No.
Oh, no, maybe we should open that window.
Yeah, maybe you should do that. Yeah, go ahead and open the window.
Smoke first.
Would y'all do that for me, please, so I won't get in trouble with the authorities?
I'm surprised nothing went off yet.
There's definitely some smoke going in. Just lift it up, just lift the blinds up. You can lift the whole blinds up, it's okay.
You don't want the window open?
Both. I want both. I want it all, man. There you go. At what time are we sitting at right now?
2 minutes.
No, oh, you got it, you got both? Okay, we're at 2 minutes?
Yeah.
I think this is gonna go about the same time. Maybe a little bit over 3. Still burning pretty nice.
Yeah, it's still burning pretty high.
I got ashes floating all around me.
Yeah, that's something that could start a fire alarm.
Look like a druggie.
I'm gonna start using that like stuff. Use a drill.
It's kind of dirty burn though with all that.
Yeah.
It is, I'm afraid I'm gonna make a black mark on the ceiling.
Maybe the light. You're doing them every day, maybe.
Right. Or 3 class periods in a row. What time are we at now?
Almost 3.
Almost 3.
That's awesome.
It's really kind of surprising when you light one of these things up. This is almost out. I've got probably like 10 more seconds maybe.
I can smell that one.
Yeah, it stinks.
Smells like ass.
Okay, it's done. What do we get?
3 minutes and 26 seconds.
3:26, so not really significantly longer. I think I'm just gonna say that the difference that we got was a heat difference. I mean, there was a definite heat and light.
Yeah, that one definitely made a bigger flame.
Okay, marvelous. That's potential energy stored inside of a nut in the form of oil, transferred into light energy.